Where are you guys? Huh? Where are you? Zinga, where are you at? A coffee place? Hmm? Yeah, you're gonna come up here? You want one of these? You want a cucumber? Whoops. Oh, I guess you got it. You're gonna come up?
Yeah, there's a QR code and you can upload a picture.
Gentle. Gentle. Baby bird. Baby bird. He doesn't know how to do baby bird. Now let me show you how Zulu knows how to do baby bird. She does. She knows how to do it. Come here, baby bird. Here, do baby bird. Oh, she was a little... Look at you guys. Hey, you going on vacation? Hey, you're going on vacation. You're going on vacation, Zulu. Yeah. You guys are so cute. Wow. Up. Up. Ah, gentle. Where's the cucumber, Zinj? Where's the cucumber? Where's your cucumber? Where's? Look at you with Daddy. Oh, look at you.
Little coffee before our journey begins.
Daddy's holding you. Cynthia, what is that? What? Look at you. Look how tall you are. Look how tall you are. You're so tall. Nice. Look at you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at you, James. Yeah.
Oh, pup cups.
You ready? Look at this! Wow! No, you get this one, Zinj. Zinj, don't you want your Zinj?
You want your own? Look at her standing up.
We're gonna do a plug for your coffee place here. Look at, she's got it all over her face. Look at you. Aww. You getting a mustache? Look at her. She's like, I'll get some on you, Zinja.
She's a
Thank
messy
you.
eater. She's like, what?
Yeah, they don't get this at home. They're like,
It's only her
what?
second time ever.
No, I think they got twice at Roma Joe's, remember?
yeah. Twice at a Roma Joe's, yeah.
Yeah, we did a video with the Roma Joe's.
The pup cups are my favorite part of the job.
Well, she is really getting into it. She's got it all over her nose.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting them in. They love it. They're good. They're well behaved.
Yeah.
We bring cucumber as an enticement. So. Oh, look at this. He's taking over. Good job, guys. Good job.
They're cute dogs.
Yes.
And this one, the way she was standing up
Oh,
on
yeah.
her hind legs.
Yeah.
More. Look at this. She. You'll dance her cups too? Cup cups? Oh, they crack me up. All right.